It's lunchtime, so you know what that means. It's time to head to McDonald's. Alright, first grocery trip of the year. So what I'm looking for is some oats so I can make some cookies. Alright, I got the oats, my favorite, so why not? Let's just take all of these. Let's get some more. I'm not satisfied. That looks good.
Please check your basket. Scan additional items now.
Alright, well I never go to the store, so I got a whole bunch of candies, so I'll be stocked up. A pound of oats for 60 cents. Pretty amazing. Alright, so I think I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. As you can see, there's a pile of stuff everywhere. Now we're gonna bring out the big guns. The decoration of a lifetime. Look at that, that's art. One more just to be symmetrical. Magic. That was a gunshot. Alright, so as you know, the usual, strap her in. That's my girl, get naked. Alright, so as you can see, we have 80 miles left. If you can see, that's kind of small, but anyways, got 80 miles left, and it's about at least a 60-mile road trip or round trip, so gotta go get some gas. I was gonna do that anyways, but definitely don't want to be running it low, so just heading to get some gas. Alright, just filled up on gas, $44.22. Heading off, and surprise, we're gonna go baking. Got a nice friend to do some baking with, so let's do it.
Perfect. They're perfect.
Scary drive through the woods, fog and deers and animals, oh my. So wish me luck. Downshift time, windows down. Oh yeah. Come on, don't be in front of me on the freeway, no. Alright, is anyone coming behind me? No. Oh yeah. Just gonna wait this one out. Let it rip. I was gonna let off, and then there was a semi right next to me, so I had to floor it. I had to. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the end of this video. I want to say thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.